strangers. Glücklich zusammen, yes we all should tell. So happy to see you play. Rest, stay inside and welcome and bienvenue. Welcome to Cabaret, Cabaret, El Cabaret. Ladies and gentlemen, buonasera, ¿cómo se va? ¿Se va bien? Everyone here is okay tonight? ¿Se siente bien esta noche? Más fuerte porque no lo escucho, ¿se siente bien? Vamos. Eso es, porque señoras y señores, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Cabaret Show. Un sagen willkommen, bienvenue. Welcome. Un cabaret, el cabaret, el cabaret. So I'm disappointed, forget it, because here everything is beautiful. The ladies are beautiful, and you are very beautiful too. And now, presenting the Cabaret Girls. Helga, my little one, Melissa, Adriana, oh my god, Adriana, your face is amazing. And now we're Roxanne tonight. You know Roxanne? And my little and my precious Nanny. You know what? Is everyone here